how to fix GCash app authentication failed. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the main fixes for GCash authentication fail is to simply check the reason for failure. GCash may deny verification due to selfie scan error, Idaho validation wrong or missing documents, or existing open support ticket. Make sure your selfie is taken in a well-lit environment and keep your face clear and unobstructed during the scan. Also, double-check that your ID is valid, clear, and matches your detail. You can go ahead and re-upload if needed with the correct documentation. Just like that, if GCash asks for more documents and you submitted the wrong ones, that can block progress. So wait for 24 hours after resubmitting the correct files. And if rejected, you can simply try the process again after recoloring them. And just like that, you'll then be able to fix the app authentication failed error. So that's basically how you can fix GCash app authentication failed. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.